Hello students, this is Vittal Anvat. Today we are going to focus upon the our chapter number 3, study of various aspects of population, and in that we will be cover the topic of density of population. There are many factors which affect upon the density of population all over the world. In that, the first important factor which affect upon the population density is the terrain. Terrain is what? It's a topography of the particular land. In that, the land is a potent factor which influences the concentration and growth of the population. As we focus upon the whole world, that time you can clearly identify that the plain area whereas record the highest density of population. Like let's get example, Ganges plain means Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, then West Bengal. In this region we can find out the higher population density. Comparatively, in mountainous region like as Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, Uttarakhand, in this region we can find out the population density is recorded less. Then the plateau region like as Deccan Plateau, whereas recorded uh, the population density comparatively is a moderate type. Okay. In this type of terrain, various type of terrain, whereas the development of agriculture sector, then development of transportation, then industries are also play important role, and this agriculture, transportation and industries are located whereas the terrain is plain. Okay. Then second important topic or the factor which affect upon the population density is climate. Climate is important terrain in influencing the population of the all climatic factors. There are various climatic factors which affect upon the population density. In that, the first is temperature. Whereas the high temperature you can find out there is a less population density. Means any desert area you can observe that time you can clearly identify that there we can get example of the Sahara desert, in our Rajasthan Thar desert where is recorded the population density is very low. Then Middle East, Iraq, Iran, Saudi Arabia, Kuwait, in this region also recorded the less population density because of the temperature. Precipitation also one important factor which affect upon the and is being the part of the climate. Precipitation like as once again the in desert region precipitation recorded the low, and the region whereas the abundant type of the precipitation like as the Europe, then the India's western parts, then coastal part of Australia, in this United States and the Mexico, whereas get abundantly rainfall, we can find out the population density recorded high. Then there are various factors which affect upon the population density. They are related with the climate. In that the temperature and rainfall is or the precipitation are the most important. Apart from that one, like as the smoggy conditions, also their humidity is one important element of the climate which is also effect upon the this population density. Then third one important factor which affect upon the population density is the soil. Soil is an important factor in determining the density of population because of, as we know, the world's more than 50% population or the nearby 50% population is directly and indirectly depend upon the agriculture. Like as in India, 70% people directly depend upon the soil or the agriculture. The fertile soil support higher population density, while infertile soil leads to low density. Means we can get example of in our India the soil where is fertility is higher, that time you can find out the population density also higher comparatively the infertile land. In northern plain of India, the soil regularly enriched by the annual floods of the great rivers like the Indus, Ganga and Brahmaputra and their tributaries. So, comparatively, in northern part of India recorded the higher population density. Then water bodies means availability of water play the significant role in population density because of for the various purposes, for the different types of the purposes water has been used for the drinking, for the agriculture, for constructions and then various type of the industry also depend upon the water. So whereas the water bodies are located near to the settlement, that time peoples or the human beings are attracted toward this water body and start to lie surrounded this water bodies like as tank, dams, rivers, then coastal part of the oceans or the bays or the seas. So here we can find out the world biggest cities are located near to the coastal parts like as Tokyo. World biggest settlements is located near to the coast. Mumbai also one example. Chennai, then Visakhapatnam, there Kolkata. There are many examples from India and across the India, whereas the population density is recorded high. Then mineral resources also play important role into the population density. Like as whereas the mineral resources are evidently available, that time you can find out the population density is recorded high. You can get example of Chota Nagpur plateau. There is a higher means in these regions the iron ore, then bronze, and many types of coals. These are the mineral rich plateaus. So the people are attract towards such mineral resources, and with the help of these mineral resources, they obtain their jobs. Then another one is the industries. The industry provide the employment opportunities and acts as a great magnet to attract the people. In that secondary, tertiary, then quaternary, all kinds of the jobs are fascinate to the peoples. Then the higher population density is recorded into the industrial area. We can get example of our Nasik. In Nasik, in Nasik, we can get example of our Sidco area. There is a higher then Ambad and Satpur. This population settlement is concerned with the these industries. Means why? Because of the due to these industrial areas, and the surrounded area has get the dense. Then another one important factor which affect upon the population density is transport. Whereas the accessibility is good, that time you can find out the higher population density. The northern plain of India has dense network of the transport, so population density is the recorded high. The Peninsular Plateau has moderate network of transport route and moderately populated area. Comparatively in Himalayan region, because of the inaccessibility, the population density is recorded less. Then the urbanization. This also one important factor which affect upon the population density. The urbanization, the peoples are vaccinated toward this urban area because of the health facility, education facility, and job opportunity. Like as such factors are responsible for the human beings to attract to particular urban area. So the in India the mm, urban areas like as Mumbai, Delhi, means metro cities are become much bigger because of the such a facility. The highly urbanized district of Kolkata, like as means Chennai, Greater Mumbai, Hyderabad, Delhi. Like once again we discuss upon such cities whereas population density is more than 6,000 per square kilometer. Thank you very much.